Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to continue with the explanation of lesson 6, food. Now, I hope you remember that last time I have taught you about types of food, that there are 3 types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. So today we are going to learn about some healthy eating habits. So let's start. Healthy eating habits means whatever habits you should follow while eating or taking your dinner, lunch. So these are the important points which you should always remember. Number 1, you must wash your hands and mouth before and after every meal. So children, it is very important that you wash your hands after and before eating your lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever you eat, you should always wash your hands before and after every meal. Number 2, you must eat food slowly and chew it well. What you should do whenever you are eating food, you should not eat it in a hurry. You should always eat it slowly, chew it well, then only it will digest properly. Okay? So you should always chew, you should not swallow your food. Okay. Number 3, you must eat your food at a fixed time daily. So there should be a fixed time for taking your breakfast, lunch and dinner, because that routine is very important for good health. So every day you should get up at proper time and take your breakfast in time, lunch also and dinner also at proper fixed time. Then number 4, you should never skip breakfast before going to school. Some children, they get up late and then they run off when the van comes, or when they are getting late, they go without taking their breakfast. That is very bad habit, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So breakfast you should never skip or leave, because with breakfast only you break your fast of 8 hours. While you are sleeping, you are fasting because you are not eating anything. And then in the morning it is very important, because that time you need lot of energy before going to school, because in school then you will not be able to concentrate on the studies. So breakfast is very important to give you proper energy to study. So never go to school without taking your breakfast. Then number 5, you must drink a glass of milk every day. You all know that milk is very important for your bones and teeth. So you should every day drink at least a glass of milk. Then number 6, you must eat well cooked food. You should always eat proper cooked food. You should not eat the food that is not cooked properly. So always eat a well cooked food. Then number 7, do not eat too little or too much. That means if it is not that if you don't like anything, you eat little, very little, and then if you like something that is very tasty, then you go on eating and eating without seeing how much portion you should take. So that is not a good habit. You should always take a balanced diet and a proper amount only. Not too little nor too much. Number 8, you must drink plenty of water. Water, you know, is very important constituent of our health. So what our body, 70% of the body is made up of water, and water is very important for us. So you should at least drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Number 9, you must not eat food kept uncovered in roadside stalls. It may be contaminated by dust and flies. Now children, you should never eat from the uncovered roadside stalls. Means जो लोग ठेले पे बेचते हैं ना सामान खुला हुआ, जिसपे मक्खी बैठती रहती है, फ्लाइज और डस्ट सब जमी रहती है. You should never eat that uncovered roads from roadside stalls. Uncovered food कभी नहीं खाना चाहिए, because it may be contaminated. Contaminated मतलब खराब होना, उसमें germs आ जाते हैं. That is called contamination. So you should never eat from uncovered roadside stalls. You should not eat. You should eat from a good shop that is covered and they are making it hygienically. They are preparing their things. From there only you should take the things. Number 10, eating too much junk food items make you obese or fat. Burgers, pizza, chips and samosas are junk food. Here are some of the junk foods given over here. So you should avoid eating them too much. Once in a while you can eat because they are very tasty, but you should not take them regularly. Too much junk food will make you obese or fat, and also it is unhealthy. So burgers, pizza, soft drink, chocolate and sweets should be taken very less and not much. Only once in a while you should eat all these junk foods. Okay children, so these are few healthy eating habits which you should remember. Once again we will revise. First one is washing hands before and after every meal. Then drink a glass of milk every day. Drink plenty of water. Don't eat junk food and do not eat from uncovered roadside stall. See, this stall is open, so you should not eat from the uncovered roadside stalls. So these are some of the healthy eating habits which you should always remember. Now, tooth care. Now, teeth are also very important, and it is very important to take care of our teeth. So, you must brush your teeth in the morning and at night. It helps to keep teeth clean and strong. Now, children, it is very important to brush your teeth when you go to sleep. Before that, it is very important, because for 8 hours, if whatever food is left in your teeth, that will decompose, and it will also put your teeth to harm, and there will be then bacteria will grow in your teeth and you will have lot of toothache, means pain होने लगेगा आपके दांत में. So it is very important to brush your teeth at night and also when you get up in the morning. Then only your teeth will remain clean and strong. You should not eat too many sweets or chocolates. These are harmful for our teeth. So sweets and chocolates you already know is are junk food. So you should not eat too many sweets and chocolates because they harm our teeth. Or if you are eating sweets or chocolates, you should always rinse your mouth always after eating sweets. You must get your teeth checked by a dentist regularly. Dentist is a doctor who takes care of our teeth, so we should always get our teeth checked by a dentist. Now we will read about amazing fact. Humans form two sets of teeth over the course of their lives. Now in our whole life we get two set of teeth. First set of teeth, it grows at the age of 2-3 years, and then by the age of 6-7 years this temporary or milk teeth starts to get replaced by permanent teeth, which we have for our whole life. So we have two sets of teeth in our life. One is temporary or milk teeth and the other one is permanent teeth. So children, you should take care of your teeth and brush properly 2 times every day, morning and night, before going to sleep. Okay, now this is assignment I am giving you. These are the difficult words, spellings from this chapter which you have to write in your rough register 5 times each and also learn them so that you are able to write question answers properly and also read them in exam. It is very important to learn new words with each chapter. Okay, so I will read out these words for you. Number 1, hungry. Number 2, rice. Number 3, building. Number 4, pizza. Number 5, sweets. Number 6, uncovered. 7, contaminated. 8, roadside. 9, different. 10, chapati. 11, pulses. 12, burger. 13, plenty. 14, harmful. 15, protective. 16, healthy. 17, energy. 18, butter. 19, sugar. 20, soya bean. 21, chocolate. 22, brush. 23, diseases. 24, dentist. So these are the words which you need to learn by heart, learn their spelling so that you learn these 24 new words in this chapter and also know their spellings so that you are able to do the reading of the chapter and also learn question answers. Okay children, see you in the next class with the exercises of this lesson. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.